Chairman of the Cricket West Indies Finance Committee, Jamaica's Wilfred Billy Heaven, says that the new administration has already made massive strides towards clearing the organization's debt. Heaven, who was appointed in April of last year by President Ricky Skerritt, pointed to inheriting close to $30 million US in debt.
This administration took over CWI with a fair amount of debt, somewhere in the region of 27.5 or so US dollars debt. And we have paid down about 20 million US of that debt that we carried forward into this administration. So we have done really, really well in terms of paying off some of the liabilities that we had.
The JCA president shared the strategic approach taken by the Cricket West Indies administration.
Looked, for example, at the entertainment expense, and we have cut entertainment significantly in keeping with our budget and perhaps in keeping with the practice elsewhere. We have cut the expense relating to the box, to the office of the president, and that has been cut significantly as well. That is now about 150,000 US.